So I've seen a few videos lately calling the garbage bag mattress a hobo mattress, just to dispel that myth a little bit, return some honor back to the homeward bound that capitalism stole. So basically, all we would use when we were on the rails was a piece of cardboard, about this size. Boxcars and train cars are no longer wooden, they're steel, so the corrugation in the cardboard helps to dispel the heat and the cold as the steel conducts. Fits in behind your pack, real nice, fold it up, keeps everything rigid. What also fits in your pack really well is a contractor's garbage bag. Let's get into that. You got your bag, got your gloves, you got your shadow right in shot, your dog lingering in the background, recording. What you're looking for is basically any old leaves, dead leaves on the ground, pine needles. You can use a bit of mulch if needed. And you're just going to want to start filling up the bag with said material. Since we've exhausted this spot, let's carry on. About a quarter full should do it. Okay, now you just kind of want to spread out what's inside. Makes it a little more comfortable so you don't have to pile out rocks and stuff from the ground that you're sleeping on. And it's a little warmer than the ground you're sleeping on. There you go. Hobo mattress. Don't forget your dog pillow. Garbage bags. We couldn't afford garbage bags. The world was our garbage.